Hey guys, very quick video. So the macOS Big Sur is out already. So this is the final release. This is not the beta release. So let me show you how to make a bootable USB to make a fresh install, not to update. So you need to go to App Store and click update. Click get and it will search for update. Remember, if you are already in the macOS Big Sur and you want to download, not the update, download the Big Sur, you need to go this way to go App Store. If not, you see this one, the download option. If not, you will not see this pop up. If you go to settings and check your software update option and click software update, you will not get the pop-up of download. You need to go to the Mac App Store and click get to download actually Big Sur if you are already in the Big Sur. But if you are in Catalina or another operating system, you can just click you can go anywhere. You can go to software update or you can go to macOS App Store. Okay, so as you can see, it's downloading. It's almost 12 giga, more than 12 gigas. So I'm going to fast forward the video a little bit so it will download. Okay, so that's how you download the macOS Big Sur. And here in the left side, you can see in the application, I already have the Catalina and El Capitan. I think you see on that to install so there I need to have the Big Sur application. There is another way. If you download the DMG file from somewhere, then so here you see the Big Sur is here. I have selected. So here you need to cancel this. Just click quit. Okay, you need to cancel this. So for now, because this is the new release, you will not have any patch or any DMG file out in the internet. So for now, this is the only way. 14 November. After 2 days, the release of Mac OS Big Sur. So this is the only way. So go to Mac App Store and download on your application, or you need to go to the software update and click download. So you need to download this 12 gig file directly from the internet. So here you can see I have connected all my my hard disk. This is I will show you another way to do this. In one hard disk I have all the operating system. Okay, so for the Big Sur I need more than 12 gig. So here I have already assigned 12 gig, which will not going to work. So I need to make another partition more than 12 gig, let's say 15 gig. Okay, and the partition should be macOS extended journal. You can see normally for like this. So as you can see, all my partition is like this. So this one gonna be 15 gig. Name, you can give any name because it will change the name before. And okay, you can do anything Big Sur. And here you need to choose extended. So like this, click partition. And if you're using a hard disk, external hard disk instead of pen drive, it is much faster, and you can put all your operating system there in one drive. This is very convenient. Okay, so as you can see, it's already done. So let's rename this one the old one, because I don't want it to confuse. I don't want the hard disk to be confused. So this one is the one I'm going to install in this Big Sur. Okay, so here in the application you need to go to here. I will turn on the terminal. You need to type sudo, then go to here in resource. You see this create install media, the black one. You just drag and drop. Okay, you need to drag and drop this create install media, then type volume. You need to type dash volume. I have made a mistake here, so you will see I will get an error later. Okay, so later I will do another way. So just to show you that I have made a mistake here. Later I will show you the exact command from the website of Apple, so you can copy and paste also, but you should know the way how to do it. So here you need to go to the folder and type / then volumes. That's how it will show you all the volumes. So I will use the Big Sur, this one, the Big Sur. I need to drag and drop this one here. And normally I don't know why it's showing 1, but but it will not work because I didn't type 2 dash in the volume. Okay, so that's why it will give me an error. You can see not found. Okay, so I leave my mistake here so you can understand, so you will not make this mistake again. Okay, so this is the website, the Apple website. So let's copy and paste it here. And here, if you copy and paste, you need to just replace the last volume, my volume. Instead of my volume, you need to type your pen drive. So instead of copy and paste, I type here, then write Big Sur. Then I copy from the here. You can type it, you can click in, you can use the notepad and everything anywhere. So here, Big Sur. It will not work also because in the Big Sur, they put a 1 at the end. I don't know why. Maybe I have 2 drive Big Sur, that's why. But in any case, now I will show you the third way. So I will delete all the volumes, then go to the folder again, volume, then Big Sur. I will drag and drop here. So as you can see, now it will going to work. So it will ask me, it will wipe everything on the drive Big Sur, not the full hard disk. Okay, so I will click Y. I will type Y and click yes. So as you can see, it's erasing disk. The Big Sur already gone here from here, and the install Big Sur is coming up. So let's so as you can see, I leave all the error so you can understand. The first one, I didn't type the dash volume, that's why it did not work. The second one, I just typed the Big Sur, not the one. I don't know why. Maybe because I have Big Sur, 2 Big Sur in the same name, that's why it didn't work. But at the end, you know how to do it. Just do the last way. You can copy and then you can replace. You can see, you know how to do it. Okay, so now it's already done copying disk, making disk bootable. You need to wait few more seconds. That's when it's showing your name of the computer, Mojave. My computer name is Mojave. It is done. So here you can see Big Sur 2. I have nothing because I did not use this. Okay, so let me go to the folder. Let me show you all my drive, drive here. So here you can see Big Sur is working. I will open it. Let's see the info. You see more than 12 gig. Okay, so it worked very good. It's Catalina, this Mojave, and let me show you the size. The other size, Catalina was 8.25 and Mojave was 6 gig something. Okay, so that's how you make your macOS Big Sur bootable USB or hard disk. Okay, and subscribe me if you like my video, and comment if you want to know something else. Later I will make a Hackintosh USB installer of Big Sur, so stay tuned, and if you want to know how to do it. Okay, so thanks once again.